In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly how we used AI to automate our content, teach every week without burnout, and attract over 1,000 paying users without ever running ads, hiring a sales team, or dancing on TikTok. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. You don't need charisma, you don't need a studio, and you definitely don't need to be a content person. You just need a system. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to create a founder-led content engine, one that runs without you, builds weekly trust, and drives daily trials to your product. This is the exact strategy we use to launch a YouTube channel in 7 days, build authority in our niche, repurpose one video into 10 plus assets, and grow without touching a cold email tool. No fluff, no hacks, just a repeatable playbook that works. Let's break it down. What do the top SaaS companies have in common? They teach Figma, scaled with design education, Notion, community-led tutorials, Webflow, university-level content, Loom, grew on how-to videos, Zapier, SEO plus tutorials equal growth machine, and now you can do the same, except this time with AI on your side. We didn't have a content team, we didn't even have time to film weekly, so we built GrowthPilot. It clones your voice, creates your weekly videos, and turns everyone into a multi-platform content engine. Let me show you how. The GrowthPilot loop: educate, repurpose, grow. 1, record once or type your ideas. 2, auto-generate a how-to video with your AI clone. 3, push content to YouTube, LinkedIn, email, shorts, blog. 4, watch the trust compound and trials roll in. This isn't theory, it's our weekly workflow, and we've helped 40 plus founders launch the same system. Part 1, what we did versus what everyone else tries. Old way, what most founders still do. Overthink content, film once every 3 months, ghost their audience, wonder why organic isn't working. New way, what we did, clone my voice plus style with AI, wrote one short tutorial per week, auto-produced in GrowthPilot, showed how our tool solves the pain, repurposed like mad, posted consistently without burnout. Part 2, pick your presence, avatar or you. You've got options. Option A, your voice, plus screen share, great for technical demos, super easy to start, no on-camera pressure. Option B, AI clone, what we use, looks like me, talks like me, but it's AI. Works while I sleep, perfect for scaling without filming. Pick what fits your brand, then let it run. Part 3, the 6-step GrowthPilot content engine. Step 1, pick the real problem. Start with your users' pain points. Why do people drop off during trial? What do they Google before finding you? That's your first video title. Step 2, teach the manual way. Don't start by selling. Show the hard way first. Educate with actual process. Build trust by showing you get it. Step 3, offer the shortcut, then say, or use GrowthPilot, let your product become the natural next step. No push, just pull. Step 4, weekly content drop. Write one script per week, AI avatar delivers it. Done. You can batch this in a day, never think about content again. Step 5, repurpose everything. From one video we create, 3 shorts, 1 LinkedIn carousel, 1 newsletter, 1 blog post, 5 tweets. You'll look everywhere without being everywhere. Step 6, compound the trust. We don't chase virality, we chase. DMs like this helped so much. Sign up saying, found you on YouTube. Comments asking for more. In 30 days, you could have 10 videos live, 50 plus content assets, a growing list of fans, inbound leads from organic trust, 0 ad spend, 0 pressure. But what if I'm not a content person? Cool, neither was I. Here's how to win anyway. Hate being on camera. Use an avatar. Don't know what to say. Use your onboarding FAQs. No time. Batch 4 scripts in 1 day. This is founder-led content without the founder fatigue. What metrics actually matter? Don't track views, track trust, comments, DMs. Found you on trial. Activation rate. Ignore vanity. Watch the signals. Final thought. Teaching is the new selling. Your job isn't to be a creator, it's to be a clear teacher, because when people learn from you, they buy from you. Quick recap, the GrowthPilot method. clone your voice or use your own. Teach weekly with tutorials. Repurpose to every platform. Build a trust engine that sells. Ready to build your content engine? We've done it for SaaS founders, solopreneurs, B2B teams, AI tools. Now it's your turn. Book a free strategy call and we'll map out your weekly content plan, your persona plus tone, your avatar setup, optional. A 30-day content engine for your growth, no pitch, no pressure. Just a full game plan you can use, or let us build it for you. Book your free 30-minute strategy call here. I'm Anakul from Authority Videos, and it's time to let your product teach itself.